That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. And today we are going to get golden hour skin. Golden hour skin is all about, first and foremost, catching a good selfie. Okay, golden hour is about getting that selfie for your new profile pic on Instagram. Second of all, golden hour skin always looks skin-like and airbrushed, and the highlight is always beaming to God himself. And so I wanted to do a makeup routine that would not only photograph well for golden hour, but it also is going to have you looking golden and glowy and highlighted throughout the day. All right, so obviously my brows are not actually this thick, so I did brows off camera. I'm gonna walk you through not really foundation and concealer, because regardless of what look you're going for, you want to have a foundation and concealer that matches. But I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation because this foundation is full coverage, but it's skin-like, so it photographs really well. Every time I've used this foundation, like in the last few videos, I keep saying like, oh, it's running out, this is probably going to be my last use. And at this point, I think the bottle might only be half empty, and I think I might be dramatic because one day like I had to pump it really hard, and it made me think that it was running out, but I don't think so anymore because I've used it like 5 times since then. Actually, probably more because I've been wearing makeup most days. Look at this foundation. Look at God. It is so full coverage, but it's so smooth and skin-like, and that is exactly my cup of tea. Same concealer I use every video, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Sorry I'm basic and boring, okay? I'm actually gonna get some new products just for the sake of YouTube, because nobody likes to watch a YouTuber use the same products over and over again. And what's crazy is I have so much makeup. But I just found what I like. So it's time for me to find other things that I like, because I am trying to build an audience, not bore one. I also want to do like an all drugstore video. A lot of the products I use are drugstore, but I do not have a all drugstore routine. So it'd be interesting. Or I want to do 2 videos, I think. One like all drugstore routine, and then one that's an all high-end routine. That will be fun. I'm using this concealer because I really like the way that this concealer blends out. This concealer also looks skin-like, doesn't look cakey and all that when you blend it. So I definitely like to go for like a skin-like beat. Now, the key to making your makeup look skin-like and really blend into your into your face is wetting your sponge. And honestly, I think that the Real Techniques beauty sponge that I use now, as opposed to my beauty blender, has changed my routine. I still love my beauty blender. I use my beauty blender to blend out my cream contour. But yeah, oh, by the way, I just recently started cream contouring and I'm obsessed. But yeah, I feel like the Real Techniques sponge that I use has completely changed my routine. Like, everything just blends in so seamlessly, especially when it's wet. I used to use this dry and wet. Now I only use it wet because everything is so skin-like and like airbrushed when I blend with this sponge wet. I'm gonna hit under the eyebrows real quick. Clean these bad boys up. I really need to get my eyebrows done. I usually do my eyebrows myself, but they've gotten so out of hand, I wouldn't know where to start. So I need to go get my eyebrows done. All right, what makes golden hour selfies so perfect is the way that the light hits your face and it shows off your contour. It chisels out your features. So I'm going to be cream contouring so I can get a sharp contour, and I will photograph real cute. The sharper your contour, if you're trying to get like that super like golden hour look, the better, because when the light hits you, it highlights your highlighted places, and then the shadows fall on your contour places. So you want your contour places to be contoured really sharp. I'm taking the LA Girl, no, Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in Deep. I use a much lighter shade than I was before to contour, because before I was contouring with the darker shades. I was using these two, and that was like just too dark for me. I stay right here because it looks more natural. I want it to be cut and sharp, but I also don't want it to be muddy. I want it to kind of be, you know, natural. I want it to be like I just have out of this world cheekbones. When I blend out my contour with my beauty blender, I don't wet it. I don't know. I just feel like it blends better like this. I have tried to wet it. I feel like things get muddy. So I just blend it dry with my beauty blender. I know some people are like freaking out, turning over in their grave because I'm using a dry beauty blender. But if it works for you, it works for you. I suggest trying it if you're cream contouring. If you're cream contouring and you feel like your cream contour is like muddy or, you know, not blending out the way you want, try a dry beauty blender. I don't know why. It just works better for me. I literally can't tell you why.
In the information system.
All right, same color, gonna contour my nose. My nose is so cute when it's contoured. It's cute anyway, but when I contour it, I just love how cute and pinched she looks. I love like a stupid extra nose contour. I love it. Now, bronzing when you want to get the golden hour look is important AF, because bronzer like does what the name is. It bronzes your skin, and all the golden hour selfies are really bronzy because of like the sunlight and like the way it's hitting you. I don't even know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. It all has a really warm tone, bronzy look to it. So if you're going for that look, you want to bronze. I'm taking the e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. I love this on my skin tone because it is red enough to bronze me, but deep enough to also help chisel me, which is why sometimes I even will use this to like bronze and contour alone. But today we need an extra. We trying to get some good pictures. Not too much because we've already contoured, but enough to get, and you see the bronze, how it's like more red tone now. That's what we want. Obviously, that's not, you know, the red tone isn't gonna be for everyone. My undertones are just really red, so that's what I go for. All right, now this is, I guess, optional for this look because blush doesn't really play a huge part in like golden looking skin, but I just really love blush, and I like blush because it helps further contour me. I place my blush instead of the apples of my cheeks right on top of my contour so that it adds color to my face and it further helps contour me. So if you're into that and if you feel like it will help further chisel you, then go ahead. If you've never tried this method, I highly recommend it. Putting blush on the apples of your cheeks kind of round out your cheeks, but when you put blush right on top of where you contoured, things get snatched, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Things get real snatched around here. I'm gonna throw some mascara on real quick just because I don't feel like putting on lashes. I love the way I look with lashes on, but I need to do some lash extensions because I hate putting on lashes. It's so time consuming. All right, and now for the most important part, the highlight. So I'm going to be choosing a bronzy highlight because we already talked about the golden bronze look, and that's what we're going for. So I'm gonna go with amber gold because this is the most bronzed in the Anastasia Glow Kit. Now, usually I'm somebody who's light on the highlighter, but if I'm going for a golden hour look, I am gonna pack it on. Make sure you're putting it on the temples of your face, the high points of your cheekbones, stuff like that, you know, where the light would naturally hit. I like to put it on just the tip of my nose, but if you're a bridge kind of girl, go off. Look at that. Look at my highlight. Oh my God. I love being the Tin Man. I love being pheromone. All right, rose water or setting spray is crucial to this because golden hour skin is all about looking flawless, skin-like, texture. Who? We don't know her. Ain't no texture. So I'm gonna take some rose water just because I don't do setting sprays or primers. So yeah, this is going to melt the product into our skin, and that's what we want. And why is this area right here so itchy? Oh my god. All right, now the tutorial is finished. I am glowing like it's golden hour all day. I'm about to be out like this. Son who? I literally could like glow in the dark right now. My highlight is so cute. If you're thinking, why doesn't she have anything on her lips? It's because most of the time I just don't even do lip products, okay? For the sake of looking acceptable, I'll go put on some gloss, okay? Give me a minute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a tip, a trick, got some inspiration, or you know, anything like that. I hope this video helped you in some kind of way. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey. Ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress, got a nigga so impressed.